The RQ-4 Global Hawk drone is one of the leading innovations in the field of unmanned aviation that has brought about a revolution in long-range reconnaissance capabilities, developed by Northrop Grumman. History and development. The RQ-4 Global Hawk was first developed in the early 2000s in response to increasing demand for a reconnaissance platform capable of operating at high altitudes and over long distances with its distinctive delta wing design. The Global Hawk is implemented to provide exceptional endurance and broad observation capabilities. Technical specifications, dimensions, and weight. Length 14.5 meters, wingspan 39.9 meters, height 4.7 meters, maximum takeoff weight more than 14,000 kilograms. Engine and mission flexibility. The RQ-4 Global Hawk uses a turboprop engine, and the Global Hawk can be easily adapted for a variety of missions, including military reconnaissance, natural disaster monitoring, and environmental observation. Range and speed. Maximum flight distance more than 14,000 kilometers. Maximum operational altitude more than 18,000 meters. And the maximum speed is more than 650 kilometers per hour. Sensors, control systems, and mission duration. The Global Hawk is equipped with surveillance radar, optical cameras, and various other advanced sensors. It can be operated remotely and has the ability to fly autonomously through an automatic control system. Global Hawk capable of flying for more than 30 hours continuously, ensuring large area coverage and intensive data collection. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next interesting content. See you in the next video.